Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if NFC is not working on Realme 16. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. Scroll down and click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on recommended service. After click on recommended service, scroll down and you will see NFC is here. If you want to fix this problem, so enable NFC, so turn on this button. You will see NFC is enabled. After enable NFC, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button and you will see restart device from here. After restarting, enter your phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so click on Play Store app and click on this profile icon and click on manage apps and device. After click on manage apps and device, click on update, and if you want to fix this problem, so update all apps. Click on update all. After click on update all, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update. Click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, the last solution is reset all settings. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on backup and reset and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin, click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if NFC is not working on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.